How to draw a meteor. Hey everyone! So for the first step of drawing our meteor, we're going to begin by drawing a disformed circle towards the center of our page. This will be one of the spots on our meteor. Nice! Now around this circle, we're going to add in some curved lines for detail. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload here regularly, so if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now in each curved line that we just drew, we're going to add in more small lines that will help add more detail to our meteor. Now in total, we're going to have 3 of the shapes that we just drew together. Personally, I'm going to make mine a little bit smaller, but if you want to make yours larger or a little bit more spread out, then feel free to do that as well. Now to keep these shapes spread out, the last one that I draw will be in between and far beneath the 2 ones that I previously drew. Now the next shape that we draw will have a small oval with 2 small lines attached. In total we're going to make 4 of these. You'll see the first one right here towards the top center of our meteor. Nice! Now let's just go ahead and make 3 more of these, 1 on each side. Now keep in mind that at the end of today's video I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in, so you can pause the video and match your colors if you'd like to. All done? If so, let's continue. Now we're going to connect each one of the shapes that we just drew by making curvy lines. This will make the sides of our meteor. Once we're all done drawing the sides, the next step will be to go out on the inside and add in a couple more small circles and lines for detail. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this video a big like so other YouTube artists just like yourself can also learn how to draw a meteor and enjoy all of our other videos on our channel. Well done, so far we're making great progress. Now let's go on the inside and add in some more detail just as I previously mentioned. A cool idea maybe for another video would be to draw multiple meteors all falling from the sky at once. Now around our meteor, we're going to begin to draw a huge flame. Now keep in mind that during this step, we're not going to add in any lines that will help separate the colors of the flame. We want to do that once we color, because then that way the lines will not smear. And a simple tip for making a flame is just to make super long lines that are curved that come to a sharp point. Fantastic! Now we have the first half of our flame drawn. Right beneath, we're going to begin to draw the second half. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of a meteor came out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, then share with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. If you have any ideas for a video, then be sure to comment it down below or email it to us at learnhowtodrawhub@gmail.com. Great job today. See you tomorrow. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.